Really wide. You know, say stick your tongue way out. You know what I'm gonna do?
This is gonna be a challenge.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, Malika is gonna do a COVID test. She has a little runny nose and like she has a little flu, I'm not sure. And she was going, she missed school for 2 days, and the only way that they will admit her back into class is if she does a COVID test, which the results are supposed to come back like in a day or so. Or if she doesn't do the test, she have to wait 19 days before going back to school, or 14 days, I don't remember, but some days. But she really loves school and she's getting a little better, but they need a COVID test. So hopefully today I'll show you how they do the COVID test on an infant. Not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One second, it's 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Go, Malika.
Oh my god. Yeah, you have on a mask. I'm so proud of you. You kept it on.
Share with her if you like.
Okay.
So my name's Michelle. I'm going to ask a few questions here. Can you
Sure.
spell her first and last, please?
First name Malika. Affiliated Derson.
Good. And date of birth, please.
17th of July 2017.
Okay. And her Alberta healthcare number? Do you have that on your shirt? Right on there.
Okay.
Okay. What brings her in today?
Okay, so she had a little runny nose yesterday morning, but it disappeared. But based on protocol, before she can go back to school, she has to get the test.
Yes. Even though it's disappeared, they still would consider it a symptom, right?
Yes.
Any travel outside the country for her at all?
No.
No.
Is she immunocompromised? Any conditions that affect her immune system?
No.
She's not a healthcare worker.
No, she's not.
Good. So, based on protocol, yes. So she's on isolation for 10 days until the start from when she started her symptoms. So
Yes.
as of yesterday. She can break isolation early if her results come back negative and her symptoms are all gone.
Okay.
And the results are taking anywhere from 3 to 6 days to come back.
36.
All right. Is there any questions about that?
Oh no, is it 3 to 6 working days or weekends as well?
No, it's all days.
Days,
Yeah,
okay.
because the lab's open. So.
Okay.
She has
So we're gonna do a throat swab for her today.
Okay, Malika, this way. You okay?
I'm videoing.
Okay. And do you want us to have her sit on your knee there, Dad?
I can hold her, that's fine.
You have it around.
Hi, sweetie. Can you sit with Dad?
I'm sorry?
Guys gonna sit with
Let's
you.
just take her mask down.
Whoa.
This is just a Q-tip. It's gonna touch the very back of her throat. Can you
Okay.
open really wide? Can you say stick your tongue way out? You know what I'm gonna do?
This is gonna be a challenge.
Okay. She'll be okay.
It's fine, Malika.
Hold our hands.
Okay. If you hold her hands,
Yeah.
say Okay, open up. There you go. Say Here we go, sweetie. All done.
Mask.
There you go.
Okay, all done, all done. All done. All done.
Good. So 3 to 6 days for those results to come back for you guys. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah, isolation.
Ah.
Just outside the door. You guys follow the arrows.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Good
You
day.
too. So you can see that it was done, the COVID test was done, and she'll be home for a few days. It's so easy. It was so easy. It was yesterday, the day before that, we actually went online, scheduled the test. They tell us the closest location. We just gave them, just inputted name of the person who's taking the test, their L card number, name, your telephone number, your address, and they just send us a confirmation, and that was it. Went in for, as you see, less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, came out, that's it. So yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video or clip.